and we're going to teach you all how to make Turkish coffee the way I make it. And there are some ingredients you will need. You will need a glass of water, so you can use this type of glasses, which I usually use, but you can use all kinds of other glasses. You will need some Turkish coffee. I use this Nahle red coffee from Israel, but there are other options. I'll send you some links. And I put it in this so it'll be nice and fresh. I also use some cardamom and something called Hawaj. I'll send you a link to this also. So, for 1 cup, I fill up 1 cup of just regular water. Turn on the gas. I put in the fill in this little thing called the finjan in Hebrew, and turn on the gas. If you don't have one of these, you can also just use a small saucepan. So after I let it heat up a little bit, I put 1 heaping teaspoon of coffee inside. Then I add a little bit of hawaj, a little bit of cardamom, and I let it cook for a while. Now, the basic rule of Turkish coffee is you can never ever leave it alone. That's the whole process. While it's cooking, you stand here, you wash it a little bit, say hi to people that walk by. You cannot leave the Turkish coffee. You can't fall asleep like Shemesh did. And once it's just boiled, like a little bit, just really a little bit boiled, I add 1 thing of stevia. You can sugar. I usually order, for the ones at CAS, I usually put 2 things of stevia for 3 glasses. And then I stir it. And let it sit for a little bit, because we want in Hebrew we call it bots, mud. That's the type of coffee. We want the bots, the mud, to like sink a little bit, so that when you get your coffee, it won't be full of all the grains of the coffee. And after we let it sit, we have a nice little cup of Turkish coffee, all ready to keep you perked up a little bit in the afternoon. So,